Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I am reviewing this hotel via the name of Radisson at Greater Noida. Greater Noida is a very tricky place to stay, so come along with me in this review. So, as you enter, this is how business classroom looks like. You have everything here and the very basic things, electric kettle and everything, and like a normal business class for a executive or for a working professional. They've given you a good bed and one more sort of a sofa cum bed actually, and quite lavish room with all the sockets here. And hey, that's me. So this is like just see all the greenery here because like it's Greater Noida and all surrounded by the greens. So what more? Normal wardrobes here, spacious ones. Normally everybody's coming here just for a day or two, so accordingly they've given you everything of big wardrobes to keep things here. A good chair, like giving a feel of like a mini office to work. Then here you have a normal LCD, big wardrobes again here, and a fridge. So what do you get in this? For the beer lovers. Just normal wardrobes and some basic toiletries. This is quite small vis-a-vis the other Radisson, that the Delhi airport one, like for keeping. It's a very mini wardrobe. Locker as usual. Normal bathtub and just a normal washroom. So that's it. Okay. So this is the swimming pool. It's approximately 11 o'clock. Let's see who's swimming at this moment. यहाँ पे योगा का नहीं है कोई?
योगा नहीं है हमारे पास, एरोबिक्स हो जाता है।
एरोबिक्स मतलब कैसे हो पाता है?
एरोबिक्स लाइट एक्सरसाइज होता है।
नहीं नहीं, आई मीन कब करते हैं, करवाते हैं?
वो किसी भी टाइम में
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, but there are some feedbacks or takeaway from this hotel and my trip in Greater Noida. First of all, this hotel is very perfectly situated in case you are going for a event at the Expo. I visited the Expo for the exhibition and all. So normally expos are held in Greater Noida at the India Expo Mart at the Knowledge Park. So it is just 10 minutes away from this hotel. So this is the perfect hotel to choose when you are traveling solo and female without anybody. So very perfect hotel as per me. I was undisturbed by the staff and I had a very soundproof sleep without any hassles or very comfortable stay, and they were very helpful. So as per the hotel, all these things were there. I wanted to go for the spa, but I actually couldn't go for it because I hardly had time. I had to go to Noida, then Delhi, because like when you go many places there. So it's in that sense. But my priority was the Expo. So for the Expo, this is the perfect hotel, and this is just 8 minutes away, or like via car or Uber from the Knowledge Park or the India Expo Mart. So very convenient location and everything. Food was excellent. Like I took a buffet. This room costed me something around 4,000, and I am a Radisson rewards member, wherein I get 35% off on every price, like on every room whichever I book in any of the Radisson worldwide. So I am at a profit in that sense, and then I used some of my points also in this. Then next I would like to comment on like food and everything you get here, but like it is limited. So there is a very good mall just 500 meters away or 2 minutes walking distance, and it's called by the name of Grand Venice Mall. So you could it's very famous for some Venetian sculptures and Venetian theme is Venetian, so you could go there as well. Also, this property is at the prime area near the Galgotias on the main road. So happy traveling guys, thank you, bye.